Hello, and welcome to Confident English Cast. I'm Henry. I am glad you chose to spend time with me today. This episode is for learners who want to speak English with more calm, clarity, and confidence. I will speak clearly and kindly. Listen first, and if you want, repeat after me. That will help your voice and your ears work together. Today, we will speak about a small idea with big power. The idea is simple: how to practice English every day, even when your life is busy, even when you feel shy, and even if you do not live in an English-speaking country. Maybe you have heard people say that you must move to another country to be fluent. Maybe you think you need a native speaker friend, many hours of study, or perfect grammar. That is not true. Real improvement comes from small, steady habits. Small steps, done often, help your brain and your mouth get comfortable with English. That is what we will learn today. I will share one effective practice and 5 friendly, practical ways to use English every day. These steps are easy to use in real life. They fit with work, school, family, and a busy schedule. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to begin. Let us start with a short, useful practice called Echo Speak. This is very simple and very strong. Echo Speak is like an echo in nature. You hear something, you copy it. You match the sound, the speed, and the rhythm. Do not stop to translate. Do not open a dictionary. Just listen, and then speak like an echo. I will give a few short sentences. Listen, and then say them out loud. This is a safe practice. There is no pressure. You can do it slowly. Repeat after me. I am learning English little by little. I use my voice every day. I speak without fear, step by step. Good. One more time, a little faster. I am learning English little by little. I use my voice every day. I speak without fear, step by step. Well done. That is Echo Speak. Try it for 5 minutes each day. Use short sentences from a podcast, a video, or a song. Copy the sound and the rhythm. Over time, your speaking becomes smoother and more natural. Now we will move to 5 practical ways to practice English every day. Each tip is easy to start and easy to keep doing. Pick 1 or 2 to begin, then add more when you are ready. Tip number 1. Listen a little bit every day. This is the most important habit. If you want to speak better, you must hear English often. Listening helps your brain learn new words, understand the rhythm of sentences, and see how people use language naturally. You do not need to understand every word. Let the sounds enter your ears, and your brain will start to recognize patterns. How can you listen every day? Try these ideas. Listen to a short podcast while you walk, cook, or travel. 10 minutes is enough. Play easy English songs and try to sing a line you like. Watch a short, clear video on a topic you enjoy. Use slow news or simple stories for learners. Make listening part of your normal day. Put English in the background like music. Little by little, your ears become clever. You begin to notice common phrases and natural sounds. That is listening practice. Tip number 2. Speak with echo speak, or short repeats. We already practiced echo speak at the start. Do this often. When you hear a sentence you like, stop the audio and repeat the sentence 2 or 3 times. Try to copy the speaker's tone and speed. This is not a test. It is a friendly practice. The goal is to train your mouth and your brain to move together in English. You can do echo speak with a podcast sentence, a short line from a video, lyrics from a simple song. Here are 3 sentences to practice now. Say each one twice. I listen and I repeat. I try to match the speaker. I feel my English getting stronger. Great. Keep practicing. 5 minutes of echo speak every day is very effective. Tip number 3. Think in English, one small thought at a time. Many learners translate from their native language to English before they speak. This slows you down and makes you nervous. A helpful habit is to start thinking in English for a few simple moments each day. You do not need long sentences, just small thoughts about your daily life. When you wake up, say to yourself, "It is morning. I feel sleepy. I want coffee." When you walk outside, think, "The sky is blue. The air is cool. I see birds." During the day, use short thoughts like, "I am working now. I am hungry. I need a break." Thinking in English helps your brain connect directly to the language without translation. After a while, your speech becomes faster and more natural. Try to say 1 or 2 thoughts in English each hour. Whisper them if you feel shy. This is a private conversation with yourself that builds your confidence. Tip number 4. Read out loud. Reading silently teaches grammar and vocabulary. Reading out loud trains your mouth and your voice. Choose short, simple texts. An easy story, a short article for learners, or a dialogue from a video. Read slowly at first. Then read again a little faster. And then read with expression, like a small performance. Reading out loud helps your pronunciation and your fluency. It makes your mouth stronger with the sounds of English. Try this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes a day, and you will notice your speaking improves. Here are 3 short sentences to read out loud now. Read them slowly, then read them faster. I read out loud to train my voice. My mouth learns new sounds and rhythms. Reading with feeling makes my English better. Excellent. Make reading out loud part of your week. Pick a simple paragraph and enjoy the sound of English. Tip number 5. Bring English into your daily life. This is the most joyful tip. English should not feel like homework. Make it part of your everyday actions. Here are many small, easy ways to live with English. Change one device to English. Set your phone, social media, or computer to English. You will see words like settings, update, and download many times. You do not study them formally. You just see them often, and your brain remembers them. Write a short daily note in English. Each night, write 3 simple sentences about your day. For example, today I went to work. I had a busy day. I listened to a short podcast. Do not worry about mistakes. This notebook is for you. Writing helps you use real vocabulary from your life. Record a 1-minute voice note. At the end of the day, open your recorder and speak for 1 minute. Say what you did, how you felt, or something you learned. Listen back if you want. This is excellent for noticing patterns and celebrating small wins. Join a small online group or find a language buddy. A simple message in a chat or a short voice note to a friend can be great practice. You do not need long conversations. Short, regular contact with other learners keeps you motivated. Watch short videos and repeat lines. Short clips on social platforms are perfect for practice. Watch one clip 2 times, then pause and repeat a sentence. Try to copy the voice and the feeling. Even 20 seconds of focused practice helps. All of these small actions combine into a life with English. When English becomes part of your routine, it stops being a task and becomes a natural habit. That change is powerful. Now I will give a short, friendly plan you can try for 1 week. This plan uses the 5 tips and keeps time small, so it is easy to follow. 7-day beginner plan. Day 1. Listen to a short podcast for 10 minutes. Choose 1 sentence and use echo speak 3 times. Day 2. Change 1 small setting on your phone to English. Read the words you see. Day 3. Write 3 simple sentences about your day in English. Keep them short and honest. Day 4. Read a short paragraph out loud 3 times. Try to add feeling on the 3rd time. Day 5. Record a 1-minute voice message and listen to it once. Be kind to yourself. Day 6. Watch one short video and repeat 2 lines with Echo Speak. Day 7. Join a small online post or send a short message to another learner. Celebrate your week. If you do this plan, you will practice about 5 to 15 minutes each day. Yet in 1 week, you will feel more used to English. Small steps every day build big change over time. Before we finish, let us practice some confidence sentences together. Say these lines out loud after me. You can repeat them daily in the morning or before sleep. I try a little every day. I forgive my mistakes and I learn. Each day, I speak with more confidence. My English grows step by step. Good. Keep these sentences where you can see them, or put them in your phone as a daily reminder. Simple reminders help you stay consistent. A few final words. Be patient and be kind to yourself. Learning a language is like planting a tree. Water it a little every day. Some days, growth is visible. Other days, it is quiet. Both days matter. Celebrate small wins. A new word, a clearer sentence, a conversation you completed. These wins are real progress. Also remember, you are not alone. Many learners feel shy and busy. The best way forward is small, honest practice. If you keep listening, repeating, thinking in English, reading aloud, and living with English, your confidence will grow. Thank you for spending time with me today on Confident English Cast. I am proud of you for listening and for choosing to grow. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in your progress. I look forward to joining you again in the next episode. Until then, try one small English step today. You can do it. Goodbye for now. Take care and practice a little every day.